Hi everyone, today I'm going to unbox these two kits for you. I picked this kit up 2 days ago, so it was during a trade event. So the rep of Hikoki was in one of the tool shop. So because of that, why I purchased this one, they also gave me this one, which is a 36 to 80 volts battery. So if you just buy this battery alone, it will cost you around between $180 to maybe $200 something. Okay, so overall it's a good deal. So this kit is 36 volts, two kits. So it has two items. One is impact driver. The other one is a hammer drill. So it has some inside. It has some manuals, a battery charger. I tested out this battery charger this morning with this battery. One of the downside with this charger is it's quite loud when you charge, but it's quite quick. It took me maybe 1 hour to charge half of the battery. So when the battery was included, it has maybe it's 50% charge. So I think the charging time is all right. Okay. So inside the box you have two items. The most important one is this one, the impact driver. So it's a 36 volts version, and it's a triple action. But I will see how it works. Okay. It has another battery. So I show you. Okay. Included there's a drill bits, but I will just show you here. It should be quite powerful. The other one is this one. I haven't tried. It's a hammer drill, also 36 volts version. What else? Okay, it has the handle for the drill. Okay, so that's about it. So you have 3 batteries, 1, 2, 3, and 2 tools, and 1 charger, and also 1 sustainer. This sustainer is quite good. It has foam padding, quite a nice one. Okay. Overall, I think it's a good value purchase. It's better than what you buy from Bunnings. Anyway, that's about it. So I will give you some more updates maybe in the future, just to give you some review of the tool, like how I feel about this tool when I actually use it for my own renovation. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Okay.